Happy Monday morning, students. Welcome to your final week, week 14. You have made it to the very end of this semester. There is not any curriculum this week, as I've mentioned before. It's only your final exam. And I just want to thank everyone who attended our final exam review session. I felt it was really successful, and I love hearing your insights on the different concepts that we discuss about conflict and negotiation. So I just want to start out by saying I hope that you can recognize that you deserve some congratulations, that you made it. This course has so much material and so many different concepts that really truly can be life-changing. But you made it to the end and you didn't give up. So congratulations to all of you. I'd also like to send a special congratulations to our graduates in this class. There are several of you, and so I just want to say congratulations, and I wish you the best of luck. And please feel free to send me an email and let me know how things go. And also feel free to look me up and connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay, so with our final exam, I've gone over this in previous announcements as well as in our review session, but this is just a screenshot of the information on the final exam. So please remember that you'll have 3 hours to take the exam, and there are 37 questions. So just review your captures and your guiding questions material from week 9 to week 13. So those are the weeks for you to focus on. And just some advice to keep calm and good luck. Make sure that you complete your final exam by Friday at 11:59 p.m. I am going to try and have your finals graded within 24 hours of when you take it. I can't guarantee it, but I am going to do the best that I can to try and have as quick a turnaround time as possible, because I know all of you want to have a good idea of what your final grade is going to be. And I know I've been in that position where I don't get my finals graded and I just have anxiety about what my grade would be. So I will get those graded as quickly as I can. And then as we're wrapping up the semester, I just wanted to end with my testimony of, as we've been talking about conflict and the importance of negotiation, that really the Savior is our true and perfect example of how to handle conflict. And I love this saying that you have the Savior of the world on your side. If you seek his help and follow his directions, how can you fail? And I think that that is so true, is when we experience conflict in our lives, in our professions, in our personal lives, in our service in the church, whatever it may be, if we can try and ask ourselves, just take a moment to pause and ask ourselves, what would the Savior do? And incorporate the concepts and the principles that we have learned throughout this semester, you cannot fail. You'll always succeed. However it turns out, with the Savior's help and in the Savior's eyes, you cannot fail. And I know that this is true, that if we put him first, and if we are asking for his help so that he can make up the difference, then you will not fail. So please know that I am praying for you as you finish out this semester. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Since it's the end of the semester, I will not be having my office hours. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you all for a wonderful semester, and the best of luck to you.